Yeah, so hello, iSamfix with another video. So we have a HP laptop today. This is a 2570p. If you check my power supply, I think you can see what is happening there on my power supply. So a lot of you know what that means. We have seen this a lot of times. So let's try to see it together and see what is happening with this one. Okay, so just a minute. Programmer there. Yeah, so the motherboard is here with us. Okay, so let's see, are we still having that short circuit? Yeah, the short circuit is still there if you check my power supply. And you know what, today I don't want to burn my finger like before. I'm used to burning my finger each and every day. I'm checking for short. So today let me use my camera here and let's see where that thing is coming from. Okay, so the camera is ready. Yeah, it's ready. So let's check here and see where is the heat coming from. Yeah, I can see something here, something somewhere here. What is that? Yeah, I think I see something. You see? Somewhere here. I think it's a MOSFET. So let me do that again. Yeah, you can see this part here. Yeah, this is a chip of an IC, MOSFET IC. Yeah, so let me go under the microscope and see this. Yeah, so go under the microscope and we work on those ICs there. Oh, my microscope is still having the lid on. So let me, okay, so let's come under the microscope. Okay, which was that area I saw there? In a few. Yeah, what is this? What is wrong with this IC? So, and I have this these two cups here. These are ceramics, and we have a polythene glue here. I don't know why the polythene glue is on this motherboard, but this one doesn't have any issue because it's not conducting voltage on the motherboard. Yeah, so if I'm to come with some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol here, and pour some. Okay, let me focus. Yeah, pour some alcohol here. Maybe do some little bit of cleaning with a brush. Where's my brush? Is here. Okay, you can see the cups are trying to come a bit clean. So I don't want to make the situation worse than it is right now. So I want us to see who is our guy here. I think we know now. So let me come with some flux. Maybe I put flux also on that area there. If I put yeah, you can see something is boiling the flux at a very high rate there. Yeah, and it's damn hot. So let me come with some hot air station. And we try to work on this part here. Let me grab this guy here. Okay, he's not coming out. I think he's a bit tough. He got used to hitting up and down, and so the solder is a bit tough than before. So yeah, I think the guy is out. I think I'm quite sure this is the... So let me come with a multimeter and a diode mode. And let me try to take some measurement here. You can check my multimeter. I'm registering. Let me try to... Yeah, I think the multimeter is okay. So is it the camera that is having some... is not viewing properly? Yeah, that's our guy. What about him? Yeah, has no issue. So what about the... So I'm having 446 as a reading. Okay, you know what? Let me try to replace that guy and see whether things are going to work fine for me. So let me grab any one of them here. So maybe to be will come with there, and also one here. Okay, in a few. Yeah, I'm grabbing that guy so that I can replace him. So does he have polarities? Yeah, that's a ceramic cup. Does it have a polarity? So yeah, we have a guy here. So yeah, let me grab this one. Okay, come under the microscope. People need to see this. So him aside. Oh, our new guy is running away. Hey, don't run away, don't run away. Okay. Yeah, I have replaced that guy now. Okay, let me take this board back. A minute. So cool down the board and do some cleanups. Yeah, so let me come again with the multimeter. Yeah, let me check the... So now we have a reading which is now going up to infinity, and we turn the probes to the other side. Yeah, we have a value that is 4445 or 445. Yeah, and I think maybe you should come out of the microscope. Let's come out of the microscope, go under the camera so that we can test this one. Just a minute. So back to the camera mode. Yeah, microscope aside. Yeah, so let me have the machine with me here so that I can do some validity checkups. So I need the fan. Where is the fan? Our fan is where? Oh, sorry, here. It's here. This is the fan. Maybe we need to tighten a bit. And so the screen on here. Okay, I don't think I need any other part here. So the ramps are on bond. So let me now come with a charger. Let's see whether the machine will turn on. Yeah, and you can see the machine is now working. Let's see whether it will go up to boot up process in a way to request the hard disk or a storage capacity. And this is the CMOS checksum is invalid. So we do some reset. After how many seconds? Good. And a restart in that case. Yeah, machine coming back on. HP logo, and you can see we have the boot up process now looking for storage capacity or a hard disk. So I think this is done. The machine is okay now. I'm just going to assemble back the laptop, and that's it for today, guys. Yeah, so keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. Yeah, let's meet in the next